Lights. And we'll open the door. This one
Let me finish this. Okay, what year is this one?
1971.
Okay. And it looks beautiful, so client's just in for regular service?
Yep. This is rebuilt 6 years ago. Motor light, fuel switch.
So the client's using this one for recreation.
Yep. I'll pull the other seat down, whoop. And then you can show that he has sun visors, UV mirror, dashes all. Doors have been reskinned, and these are original hinges. They're doubled on the top and single on the bottom, and some of them have lasted for 50 years. This style of hinge gets welded on like that, one on the top, one on the bottom.
Go ahead.
So once these door hinges are welded on to the door and the frame like that, you can lift the whole door right off, and this part of the hinge stays here, and this stays on the door, and they're greasable. Marked.
So as you can see, the dash is all marked here.
Seats tip for access. CD player, radio, dash fan, shifter on the dash, compass, horn.
Can you show us how easy this one starts?
Yep. Ready to go. That's what they're supposed to sound like.
So that's how easy. Just turn the key and go.
This is how electric power steering works. This is how easy it is. Two fingers.
Two fingers. Too easy.
For the naysayers that think that the power steering is too light, they can't feel the road, I can adjust that so you're back to manual steering with 2 arms.
Versus 2 fingers.
See through I'll get light. Hold it back here. This is added in for springtime when it's really hot. This fan draws the hot air out of the back and blows it out here. And this little fan draws cold air in and blows it in. Okay, look in here.
Yep.
If these machines are closed in like this on the front, then you don't have to worry about all that cold air coming in where you're sitting.
Okay.
There. Okay. This has a caliper brake for this style of motor and transmission. Okay, These brackets for the bumper are welded onto the frame all the way through. Then the bumper is made separate with lugs on it so that everything can be taken off. It's all bolted. There's nothing welded solid to the machine except these 3 ears here. That's it.